Have you noticed your toes going numb, your fingertips tingling, or your feet feeling like they're wrapped in thick socks, even when they're bare? Maybe it's that strange pins and needles sensation that wakes you up at night, or a burning feeling in your soles that makes walking across the kitchen floor feel like stepping on hot sand. This is neuropathy, nerve damage. And for millions of people over 60, it quietly steals sensation, balance, and independence. But what if I told you that one simple morning vitamin backed by new science could start restoring nerve feeling in just a few weeks? You see, neuropathy doesn't appear out of nowhere. It's the result of slow, silent wear and tear on your nerves. After 60, your body naturally loses nerve insulation, that protective sheath called myelin that keeps nerve signals sharp and fast. It's like the plastic coating on electrical wires. Once it starts fraying, signals get mixed up, weakened, or lost entirely. Add in reduced blood flow to the extremities, higher rates of diabetes, and years of tiny nutritional gaps. And it's no wonder your feet, hands, and legs start to feel like they belong to someone else. The scary part: many seniors don't even realize the problem is getting worse because neuropathy can progress quietly for years. A 2022 study in the Journal of Neurology found that by the time most older adults report noticeable numbness, over 50% of their small nerve fibers in that area have already been damaged. And once those fibers are gone, the body has to work hard to rebuild them. But the right nutrition can help. That's where this story takes a hopeful turn. Because researchers have recently zeroed in on one specific vitamin, a nutrient you can get from common foods or in a safe supplement that appears to directly support nerve regeneration. When used first thing in the morning, when your blood flow and nutrient absorption are at their peak, it can start feeding your nerves exactly what they need to rebuild. In a moment, we'll count down the most effective ways to protect and restore your nerves, from lesser-known helpers to the #1 most powerful morning vitamin for sensation recovery. And #1 is something most people have never even thought about for nerve health. Coming in at #4. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats, found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, help rebuild the fatty myelin sheath around your nerves. Think of it as recoating frayed electrical wires so the signals can travel again. In a clinical trial published in Nutritional Neuroscience, seniors who added omega-3-rich fish to their diets twice a week reported a significant drop in neuropathic pain in under 8 weeks. To make it easy, try a simple breakfast of scrambled eggs with smoked salmon or a tin of sardines mashed on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon. Next, at #3, alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. This antioxidant is like a cleaning crew for your nerves. It sweeps away oxidative stress, one of the main culprits that ages nerve tissue. A 2018 review in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that daily ALA supplementation improved nerve conduction speed in adults with diabetic neuropathy. You can get it from spinach, broccoli, and organ meats. But for nerve repair, you'd need to be eating large amounts daily. So many doctors recommend a concentrated supplement taken with breakfast for maximum absorption. Imagine it as giving your nerve signals a clear highway instead of a traffic jam. Coming in at #2, magnesium glycinate. Now you might be thinking, magnesium for nerves? Yes. This mineral helps calm overexcited nerve cells and supports healthy blood flow to extremities. Without enough magnesium, nerve endings can misfire, causing that burning or zapping feeling in your hands and feet. A 2020 study out of the University of Vermont found that magnesium glycinate, the gentle, highly absorbable form, reduced neuropathy symptoms in seniors within 30 days. Try adding leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, or a morning smoothie with spinach and almond butter. Or take a magnesium glycinate capsule with your breakfast, but skip magnesium oxide, which can upset your stomach. And finally, at #1, vitamin B12, specifically the methylcobalamin form. This is the morning vitamin that new science is hailing as a game changer for nerve regeneration. Here's why. B12 is essential for building and maintaining the myelin sheath around your nerves. Without enough of it, nerves literally shrink and lose their ability to communicate with your brain. After 60, stomach acid levels drop, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. This is why so many seniors are unknowingly deficient, even if they eat meat and dairy. A groundbreaking 2021 study in the Journal of Clinical Neurology showed that seniors with neuropathy who took 1/500 mcg of methylcobalamin B12 each morning experienced measurable improvements in sensation, balance, and walking speed in just 12 weeks. One participant described it like this: "I could finally feel the texture of the carpet under my feet again. I didn't realize how much I missed that." So why take it in the morning? That's when your body's cortisol levels are naturally higher, which helps with nutrient transport, and your digestive system is fresh from rest, making absorption more efficient. Plus, B12 can give you a gentle boost of energy without caffeine, so you'll feel more alert throughout the day. The easiest way to get enough? Start your day with a B12-rich breakfast: 2 eggs, sautéed spinach, and a slice of grass-fed liver pâté if you like it. Or use a high-quality sublingual methylcobalamin supplement. It dissolves under your tongue, bypassing the stomach and going straight into your bloodstream. That's especially important if you have digestive issues or take medications that reduce stomach acid like proton pump inhibitors. Now, a quick but important note. While B12 is incredibly safe, it's always wise to ask your doctor for a simple blood test to check your levels, especially if you have diabetes, anemia, or have been feeling unusually tired, dizzy, or forgetful. These can all be signs of deficiency. When you put this all together, omega-3s for insulation, ALA for protection, magnesium for nerve calm, and methylcobalamin B12 for rebuilding, you give your body the exact tools it needs to not just stop neuropathy from getting worse, but to actually restore lost sensation. I've seen people go from feeling like they're walking on foam pads to confidently climbing stairs again in under 3 months. Your body is always trying to heal itself. You just have to give it the raw materials to do the job. Which one of these nerve healing habits will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want your next decade to feel better than the last, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because your health deserves your attention now more